Hey YouTube, it's Amy again with Bargain Mama, and I have a dual haul today from the 99-cent store and the Dollar Tree. Today is Thursday. This video will probably be coming up sometime this weekend. I just wanted to show you guys I got this shirt from the Dollar Tree, but the other day it was tie day at work and I didn't have a tie, so I just made my own tie, and since I work in therapy, that's what I decided to do. Again, I am doing this haul in my dining room, so if you hear my dogs, that's because they have no manners and they are fighting in my living room. So anyways, I'm really sorry. And again, I don't edit my videos, so if they get too loud, I'll just start over. And my husband is yelling at him, and I can see the little puppy. He looks very sad right now. So anyways, let's get started with the 99-cent haul first. So from there, you guys, if you're a baker, you know how expensive these are, okay? Like this is the blue sugar, this is the silver sugar, and we have the pink sugar. First of all, these in a normal store are a lot. So this is made by Bakersfield, and this is 5 ounces. You could put these on cookies, but I have had some mojitos, and you can make a mock mojito, and you put like a strawberry mojito and put this on the edge. It's so amazing. Or like some kind of blueberry mojito or something and put this. You guys, that is amazing. And this was only 99 cents. So, you know, sometimes their prices are a little bit different, but this was definitely only 99 cents. And for these, I mean, you guys know baking supplies are so expensive. So this, I felt, was a steal. This is probably one of my most favorite finds. Anyways, the next thing we got was this Kraft Jet Puffed Marshmallow Cream. This in stores is about $1.99. And we get this because we make something called a heaven dip, and you dip strawberries in it. Maybe I'll make a video with just 2 ingredients. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's like cheesecake in a jar. So it's amazing. It's so good. So anyways, yes, we use this, and this is the Kraft. So it's name brand, and it is 7 ounces, just like the regular fries or whatever. So I love this stuff. And if I can find it at the Dollar Tree, I get it all the time just because it is so expensive in the stores. And then I did get these two right here, which are the apple pie and the cherry pie filling. I like to make like dump cakes and stuff like that. Since my kids do love desserts, and like I said, I do like to entertain, and I just don't have the time for entertaining. So this one is the Muscle Man's apple pie filling, and this is 21 ounces. And this one is the Mother's Made cherry filling. That's 15 ounces. So you could get one of the graham cracker crusts from Dollar Tree. You could get one of their cream cheeses, and you can make a cream cheese and then just throw this cherry cheesecake, or their cheesecake powder they have, and then you could get this and just make a cherry cheesecake for like less than $5. So, but again, I like to do these with one of the box cake mixes, and usually like a stick of butter or whatever it says, and you just dump it in there, throw it in the oven, and you have a dessert that people think you took a long time to make. All right, so I got this. Oh, you guys, so this right here, again, 99 cents. I wanted to get a lot of these, but then I was like, probably not gonna make it a whole lot, but I loved it. So this is the Keebler, and it does say it's new, and it is chocolate graham cracker crumbs, you guys. Like, so you can make like an Oreo bottom and all that with this right here. So this is 13.5 ounces, but it's already done all the work for you, and it shows all the it shows different recipes you can do on the back. But how good would this be, like this crust with like a peanut butter pie or something? Like it would almost take like a Reese's Pieces. But yeah, so again, guys, this was only 99 cents, and that is a really good deal. And again, it is name brand, so that's really good. One of my son's favorite cakes is the Funfetti, and I know you can make cakes from a cookie mix, but just because it had the cookies on it, I bought it because that's how they get you. But so this is Pillsbury. It is a name brand, and again, it is 6.5 ounces, and it says it makes 1 dozen. It probably doesn't. It probably will make about 6 to 9, because I think theirs are a really small Probably smaller than how I make them. When you have boys, you have to make them bigger. So this is just 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of water. And you have cookies. And again, what can you do? You can put your sugar on top of them and it goes right along with it. I'm so excited about these guys. I really like them. All right, so that is, no, it's not my 99-cent haul. I'm sorry, this is the last thing. You guys, this is name brand, but strawberry cupcake. I've never seen strawberry cupcake Jell-O. I mean, I don't know. They sold me on it. I don't know what the heck I'm gonna do with it. I don't usually make Jell-O as Jell-O. So I might make like a strawberry cupcake Jell-O with a chocolate crust. But I like to use the Jell-Os to make like cream pies and stuff. It just, for some reason, it feels like my family eats it better that way. But this is the instant pudding and pie filling, and it's 5.1 ounces. So it is the bigger box. And you guys, like, I've never seen strawberry cupcake. So I'm really excited about trying this. I don't know what I'm gonna make for tonight, but if not, I do like to entertain, so it'll be often. So I'm done with the 99-cent store, and now I'm going to get some of this Dollar Tree stuff out of the way so that my husband can go outside because he's sitting here waiting for me. So again, you guys, so it looks like they are leaking, and we did not make sure that they were closed. So they are leaking everywhere. All right, so that does not work out for me. Hopefully it was just one, I don't know, but it's definitely leaking. Okay. All right, Roper. I'm sorry, really sorry, guys. Again, no editing, so I'm really sorry. That was my pit bull. I think he thinks he hears someone outside, I'm not sure, but hopefully that won't happen again. Anyways, oh, this is leaking all over the table. Will you hand me a paper towel, please? Because these are leaking on the table. So anyways, he's waiting for these so that he can start making the wood so we can make some table fire pits. Thank you. So it's getting everywhere. I'm really sorry. Anyway, so we got 6 of these, and we are going to make 2 little fire pits. We've never done it, so we're gonna try it. We went to Home Depot and bought the wood, and then everything else we got from the Dollar Tree. And so we're gonna just try it and see how it works. So anyways, if you guys have used these before, let me know if you can find a better bargain somewhere else. But so we got 6 of these fancy wick from the Dollar Tree. And it says that it says remove cap from can, place can in rack, light with long stem match, to extinguish, use snuffing device, and let can cool and replace cap. It says it's 2 hour, so it says it works for 2 hours, and it says there's 2.8 ounces in it, but I can assure you that one of these does not have 2.8 ounces because it dumped all over the bag. But so I'm really excited about trying this, and I'll show you guys how it is later. But yeah, so we got 6 of these little fire things, and you guys could use them for anything. You could use them like make little tiki torches. Like I said, we're just trying, they're right here if you want them. We're just trying those to make little fire pits. So along with those, we got, and I've seen those before, I've just never bought them. So along with those, again, we're gonna make 2. I bought the glass gems from the Dollar Tree. I'm trying to divide them to what colors we're doing. So with the size that we're doing, we think we're gonna need 4 of these bags. These bags are 10 ounces. And this one right here, I really liked. Those colors are so pretty. So it has the clear, the blue, the green. I really liked those ones. So this one right here, again, we bought 4 bags for it, and they're all 10 ounces. We did go when we were at Home Depot getting the wood, and we priced out the other stuff, and it was really expensive. So if this works, then I'm gonna stick with these. But anyways, this is what we're gonna do with the first one. Those colors are so pretty. There's the first one. And then with the next one, we bought 4 also. So we bought 2 of the blue, it's like the light blue, and then 2 of the clear. And again, these are both 10 ounces also. And they're at the Dollar Tree all the time. They are made by Greenbrier. So we did buy 4 of those. So again, that's about 40 ounces. And I'll let you guys know the measurements and if it worked or not. So we're gonna put 4 of these and 3 of these in a little box that I'm gonna paint, and we'll see how it works out. So I did buy this last time and I forgot to show you guys. This is the Jops, the craft paper roll, and it may not be new, but I don't remember seeing it before. And this is 30 inches by 15 feet. And again, I told you guys that we are getting married in August and we're having a kids table, which I'll show you guys later some of the stuff we're gonna put on it. But this is for the kids to color on and stuff because we have crayons and everything like that. So, and this is made by Greenbrier, but I have been looking for something to put on the table for a while and I had not found this. So I was really excited about that. So we'll put that on the table. And then I did get this Suddenly pasta salad. I have made this salad by myself. I have the seasoning that you put in with just some vegetables, some Italian dressing. It's Salad Supreme is the actual seasoning that you put in there. And it's just got the noodles, the Italian dressing, and the vegetables, but this is already made for me. It's probably a better deal to do it the other way, but sometimes if all of my kids aren't home, if it's just me and my husband, or me and my husband and my youngest kid, they go to waste because we just aren't going to eat that much. So this one is perfect, and this one is 3.9 ounces, and all you do is add cold water and vegetable oil, and it's done. And it's pretty good. So anyways, guys, I couldn't even wait till I get home. These ones right here I haul, I think, almost every single time. These Snyder's honey mustard and onion, they are some of the best, sorry, there's someone, okay. These are some of the best snacks I've ever had. Like, I love these snacks. And so they are 3.5 ounces and they expire October 3rd of 2020, but there's only this much left, so I don't think it's gonna make it that long. They are so good, you guys, you have to try those. They're so good. And of course, this didn't make it either because I got thirsty after eating those. I got 2 of these. They are the sparkling ice and it's the cherry limeade. And someone hauled them on one of their things. I absolutely love like Sonic's cherry limeades, but the sugar in there is just insane. And these are 17 fluid ounces. I love these. So I did get 2 of these. All right, and again, we are having people over. So I had made some bean dip last night, a huge thing of bean dip. I'll make some of these snacks right here. And then, I've never gotten this from the Dollar Tree before. This is the onion soup and dip mix. So I'm gonna put this in some sour cream tonight and hopefully it'll be good. There are 3 pouches in here. It's no MSG added, no artificial colors or flavorings, and each package, I believe, is 3 ounces. So I'm excited to try this. I'm guessing there can't, it's by Continental Chef, but I'm guessing there can't be too much of a difference, like between like the regular like ranch dip. I don't know, I'll see. Let's see what I got here. All right, so I got the, oh, it's right here in my lap. So I got this Purina Alpo T-bone just because that right there, guys, that looks like my dog I had in my last haul, doesn't it? That looks like my baby Belle. So I had to get these because I was like, oh, these are for her. So anyways, they are porterhouse flavor. They're made with real beef. Unfortunately, with 4 dogs, I don't usually buy stuff like this because it doesn't last very long, but I felt like it was calling my name because Belle was on the package. So this is 4.5 ounces and it's steak-shaped dog treats. My dogs do love these because we do get them sometimes for them. But again, with 4 dogs, I mean, this package might last like two times. And they know that I have their bones right now. So they're like under the table trying to get me. I buy these every single time, you guys. The peanut butter flavored dog biscuits. Again, there's our 11-year-old boxer. So you have to get them. These are 1 pound and these last quite a while. And these expire January 13th of 2021, but again, they're not going to last that long. And they are peanut butter flavor, but my husband gets upset because he says I spoil them too much. So I usually dip these in peanut butter and then give them to him. And now my Princess Belle usually licks the peanut butter off and politely brings me back the dog bone. So we're trying to get her out of that stage because she's getting too spoiled, but she will literally bring me back the dog bone and want me to put more peanut butter on it. So they obviously have their own jar of peanut butter. And so I just dip this in there and give it to them. And then my last thing, I think it's my last thing. So I got just this right here. It's just the little display easel. And I really think that these are smaller than the other ones that they got. And so that's what I wanted. So for my, my craft fair tomorrow, I had previously bought just a piece of wood or something from the Dollar Tree with something on it. It wasn't, I don't even know what it was. And I had bought the chalkboard paint. And so I painted the chalkboard paint all over it. So tomorrow I'm going to put all my prices on the chalkboard, and then I'm just going to set this on my table so that I don't have to individually price everything and do all that. So I'm pretty excited about that. Like I said, I do have these in the bigger ones. This one is silver, which I really like. They had black and gold. And then I like that I can like make it to the size that I want. This doesn't say how big it is, but like I said, I have these and I believe that this is definitely smaller than that. So that's good. It won't take up much space on my table. So anyways, guys, that's my Dollar Tree. Again, today is Thursday. I think this is probably going to come up this weekend. I am going to definitely show you guys what our little fire pit looks like, and so that you guys can maybe see if you want to do one. And then I will, at that same time, I will do a video of all the stuff that I have for my, I'm going to do a video for all the stuff that I have for my craft fair. And then guys, guess what? We have 2 giveaways coming up, okay? Last Sunday, I was at 14 viewers, and I started posting a little bit on Facebook, and I just shot up. I think I'm at like 179 right now. I mean, it's insane. And I said I was going to do a giveaway at 50 and a giveaway at 100. So now I have to do 2 giveaways. So I will definitely be doing those next week. And if you guys want to comment and tell me what you want in the giveaways, or I can just kind of find some stuff and put it together. I'm going to go shopping for it this weekend. But again, there will be 2 giveaways. So I will definitely be letting you guys know next week how you can enter into those giveaways. And they'll be fairly big just because I do like sending out packages. So anyways, thank you all so much. I can't believe I got up to 179 in a couple days. So I hope you all have a great day. Bye.